This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. And here we are Thursday, December 28th, 23. News Catalyst, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard. Day trading for ROI payout, just my trade journal market analysis. Rule-based price action trading is what I do. Daily affirmation. I see it and understand. Rigid discipline and rules, flexible and outcome expectations. Independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. So this is the last day of the week I'm trading actively. I'm not saying I'm not going to look at the market on Friday. So let's go here and look at what we've got. On the left is the Nasdaq. On the middle, we've got the S&P futures. And then the dollar just cannot find a bottom here. So this is what's keeping the equity markets up. Maybe this changes in January. I don't have a prediction, but basically I'm just playing liquidity levels on daily basis without a bias. But I have very low expectations for Thursday. If we do have a reversal, I'll be looking at the low of the prior day, which is coming in 48.16 and change. And note, again, we're got the 9 EMA way down here where the new week open gap is on the S&P 500. But it's all about still the dollar. If the dollar can find the bottom and get back up possibly to the candle body low, maybe 101 and change, that would be a great thing. But right now we're below the 101s in the 100s, so we've got to check on how the dollar's health's going to be. So the way to play it here, I'm watching the 8:30 news catalyst reaction and then the RTH open up until 11. If I've not found a setup in that time frame, game over for 2023. Gonna basically keep the powder dry and take an early New Year's holiday off and just tape read for Friday. That's the plan. Let's go to the ES 500 and look at the 15-minute benchmark. Next chart. Okay, since we've got really a compression consolidation range, I decided to go up from the 15-minute to the 1 hour. This kind of frames it. So we do have a new high for the year, 48.4150, and this was after the prior day's close, which we had a PM high at 48.3625, and then after the close, Globex Asia at 48.4150. That was the Globex high in Asia. London opens at 48.40, New York midnight 48.3075. So again, notice the range, it's very compressed. Yesterday, what I did note was we had a 1 hour fair value gap, and that happened basically right after the silver bullet in the afternoon. We go from the bottom here, which was right around the RTH open of prior day, 48.2225. So that's a very important level, because look at below this blue line here. We had, of course, sell side liquidity, but all candle wicks, no bodies. What is underneath here? It's that big displacement 1 hour fair value gap from over a week ago. So prior to yesterday, a week ago on Wednesday, we had a very large displacement. But notice how the bodies of the candles are totally respecting by not going down here. So if that's the way they want to play it, this may end up being where they just pin it up here till the end of the year and then go forward in January from here. I did note a daily volume imbalance right here. So consequent encroachment of that is 48.26. So these are the two zones that we'll be looking for, possibly. Again, very truncated range here. If we get more than 25 handles in RTH, either way, from where we're at right now, that'd be a great thing. But I'm not saying that's going to happen. Way below here, again, was the new week open, how we started the week in the 4,800, and the low, that's what I'm looking at here, is 48.1650. So that's the sell side liquidity low from prior day afternoon. And that would be the target if we were going to go and break through these PD arrays below here, specifically this daily volume imbalance here. That would be needing to break first. So that's about it. Very low expectations. It's a Thursday. It's end of the year. Don't plan on trading Fridays. So really, either way, I don't have a lot of conviction, and I'm not going to put a lot of the dry powder to work because of that, and especially because of the range. When I saw these candles last prior day, and again, just note, hours. These are hourly candles. I don't want to play in that, not with that small of a range. Hopefully that helps. Again, probably better to do something other than stay and look at the charts all day. So I'll be checking in and out of the charts. So aloha and thanks so much, OG subscribers, and I want to welcome all the new subscribers. I will be consistent in putting out 2024 videos on how I'm seeing the market and doing the technical analysis. Take care and aloha. Bye.